Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to create a stack in a Framer, which is basically a layout container that automatically arranges multiple elements. For example, these ones right here. First, you can go ahead and select all of these elements. Okay, so I'm holding shift while I click on them. As you can see, it has selected all of these. And then what you can do is hold Control and F on your keyboard to create a frame, or you can come here, click on this icon for layout, click on frame, and just insert a frame right here. As you can see, all of those are being highlighted. So I can create a stack that way as well. Okay, but I'll just show you this way. I'll hold all of them, and then we will go ahead and press Control and F. So we have created a frame. As you can see, now when I select this, it selects everything at once. Now, if I come here on the right-hand panel, right, under the properties, you should see the stack option. So as you can see right here under layout, we can choose the type as stack now, right? If I go and select anything right here, for example, on the right-hand panel, you will not see stack. But if I hold shift and then I do Control F, you'll see the stack option would go ahead and appear. Okay, so if I choose this now, look at this, you would see stack. The same thing here. Now you can go ahead and edit. You can change the direction. You can add gaps, padding, anything you want. Otherwise, it's that easy to create a stack in Framer.